Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about hyperlinking in Google Sheets. It is very easy and very useful function in Google Sheets. So I have listed here some of the use cases of hyperlink, which I will pick one by one and will explain how exactly you can do this kind of activities in any Google Sheet. So we'll start with the first one, how to hyperlink any external links. So I will go with some of the examples, then we'll show you how exactly we can do. So here you can see a large database I have, which is if you will read it, it's about some employees details in a company, employees name and some other stuff. What I will do it, let's say I have a use case where I need to hyperlink the company's website here. Okay, so what I will do, I will put down some text first. Let's say I need to write, click here. Okay, so text is here. To hyperlink any website, let's say I need to hyperlink google.com. Okay, so I will copy the URL, come to this page. Now I will do a shortcut. I'm using MacBook, so I will press command plus K, so this pop-up will come up and then we'll paste and click on apply. So hyperlinking is done. If you are a window user, you can press control plus K. Okay, so with this shortcut you can simply select any cell and do the shortcut command plus L or command plus K or control plus K, and you will see this particular pop-up and then you can hyperlink. The second way to do it is you can do manually also. If you have any problem with doing the shortcut, you can go ahead and do the hyperlinking by manually. So what I will do is I will do the right click. So now I can see on my screen there are multiple options here, and I will select insert link. So again the same pop-up I will see on my screen. I will paste here the link, which is google.com, and apply. Okay, so google.com is just an example here, so you can hyperlink whatever the name or website URL you have, you can hyperlink here. Now we'll move on to the second option, second use case actually, that is how to hyperlink any tab within the same spreadsheet. So on my screen you can see in this spreadsheet we have 5 different tabs. This one, then summary, then all data, then employee personal details, then department. Let's say I need to make a summary sheet like this one where I will hyperlink all the different tabs we have. So you can see here, if you will read it, employees all data. So it seems like all data is this one, right? So I will hyperlink tab here. So for that, what I will do, let's say just put something, click here like this, then again shortcut command plus K or control plus K. Now you can see this particular option, seats and named range. So I clicked on that, then I can see all the tabs name, seat 1, summary, all data, employee personal details, and the department data. So if I want to hyperlink all data, I will select this one, and that's it. It's hyperlinked here. Okay, similarly I will hyperlink this one, like employee personal details tab. So what I will do, again this time I will go with the manual option. We'll right click and then we'll see this insert link. We'll click here. I can see the pop-up. I will select seats and named ranges. Now I need to hyperlink employee personal details tab. That's it. So if you'll see, you will click, you can come to the sheet. If you want to go there, you can click, you can visit this page. So similarly, you can hyperlink this sheet. You can put down anything here. Let's say you want to edit this text, click here. You want to show something different, you can simply click here. You will see this option. you can edit it. You can see click, okay, anything. So this is not that important. Now this the third use case we need to check: how to hyperlink a different spreadsheet. So basically, a different spreadsheet can be any different external link. So the way we implemented hyperlink for the any external link, similarly you can hyperlink any different spreadsheet also. But we can take an example here. Let's say we have an option where we need to show the financial data, okay, and we have a separate spreadsheet for the sample financial data, right? We can see here on the screen. Now I want to hyperlink this page here, so I will click right down, click here against financial data. So what I will do, I will first copy this link from the browser, will come here, will put the right click, will found this one, insert link, click here, paste here, apply. That's it. So any link which is the external link, whether it is a spreadsheet or google.com, any website link, if you want that, simply just add there. Okay, so technically if you will say this third point, the first point process is same. Now how to hyperlink any cell or range of cells. So let's say we have this data. Now if you will see, the data is for the employees. Here you can see data are gender, ethnicity, age, everything, right? Let's say you want to see the department details for the same set of employees. Okay, so you don't have the uh, department name here. Let's say you want to see the department name of this particular employee. What you will do is you will hyperlink here. You will come to this page. Let's say you want to see the department name, right? So department name. Now you will do the hyperlink. We'll go to this page, department page. Sorry, I did a mistake here. We'll do again. Hyperlink. I removed the hyperlinking. I have to click here. Select a range of cells to link. Okay. Now I will go to this page. Okay. Under the C table, I can see I need to get the department details of this particular employee. So I will click here. And okay, that's it. So if anyone wants to check the department details of this employee, that person will click here, and that's it. I can see the department details. Similarly, if you want to see any date, like a range of employee, let's say here I have this particular range from this particular sheet. Let's say this one. Okay, let's say you want to hyperlink a particular date, any range of data from, let's say, from here to here. Okay, so for that, what exactly you can do, let's say you want to hyperlink this one, you have to click here, seats and named ranges, then select the range. You will come to this page, you will select this cell and then drag till here. You can see this range has been selected here. Now okay, so let's say I'm here. Okay, let's say I want to see this particular range anytime. I will click here. See, this particular portion has been selected. So moving on, the last thing is just to understand what exactly is the hyperlinking function. What we did through shortcut and manual, we can do the same activity through the hyperlink function. Let's see the same data. Now I want to do some hyperlinking here. and I want to hyperlink the company website. Let's assume the company name is google.com. So I will use the hyperlink function this time. Hyperlink. Okay, now quotation. Under the quotation, I will copy this URL, paste here, and that's it. Now I can click here, I will visit. But let's say if you don't want to show the whole complete URL, you just want to show the Google the name of the company, you can simply put the label name. For that, you have to add the comma, then again quotation, under the quotation put the name of the company, Google. That's it. So you can hyperlink this way also. This is the function. This is the use case of hyperlinking function. So in this video, I think I have covered everything. Not I can't say everything, but everything about most of the thing about hyperlinking. I hope this will be useful for you. If you will stuck somewhere, if you will have any kind of query regarding hyperlinking in spreadsheet, Google Sheet, please let me know in the comment box, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for your time.